January 16th is considered as National Startup Day, and here are 5 tips I would like to share with you in case if you're a law student and you want to start your own startup. Point number 1, network, network, network. Build relationship with lawyers, entrepreneurs, and other professionals in the field which can provide you valuable connections and opportunities down the line. Point number 2, get hands-on experience. Consider doing internship and other kind of externships which can gain you practical experience and build on your resume. Point number 3, develop a specialty. Consider focusing on a specific area of law such as intellectual property or startup law to become an expert in specific field and stand out to the peer potential employers. Point number 4, stay up to date on legal technology. As the legal industry becomes increasingly digitalized, it's important to stay familiar with the technical tools and platforms to stay relevant and competitive. And point number 5, that is about be proactive. Don't wait for opportunities to come to you. Instead, take initiative and actively seek out to opportunities to gain experience and build on your professional as well as your personal network. So these are the tips which you can keep in your mind in case if you want to start your own startup, and do let me know if these tips are going to play a very important role in your life for starting your own startup in the comments.